I said that there is a major problem is the pesticide pollution. तो यहाँ पे जो पानी आता है आसपास के रीजन से जो आ रहा है लेक्स में, तो देर इज एन कमिंग ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स फ्रॉम द एग्रीकल्चर नियर बाई रीजन. कुछ कीड़े पैदा हो रहे हैं उनको मारने के लिए पेस्टिसाइड्स. सो द पेस्टिसाइड इज व्हाट इज कॉजिंग दैट इट इज गोइंग इन देयर बॉडी एंड देयर आफ्टर so they started what is the finishing, and especially the people are also started hunting. The pesticide pollution, wetland drainage, development of prime habitat into. तो धीरे धीरे आपको ही पता होगा कि हमारा one of the problem of wetland is that we are converting into agricultural land, we are converting into other development projects and all. Because of this, especially in the Kevladev National Park and wetland is reducing, and then it is आसपास जहाँ पानी रहता है लोग the people started living, and when the people started living, you know that the encroachment started taking place for the human settlement, for the agricultural aspect. So I said that that is facing for the agricultural land, it is taking over, and because of the agricultural land, pesticide is getting into it, and then Siberian crane is what reducing day by day. Understood? Siberian crane. दिख गया आपको कहाँ कहाँ? The one is this. Build spoon. Spoon build. What is it? I said that sandpaper. Sand के पास रहता है, उसी में से खोज कर खाता है. अभी मैंने देखा एक one animation that has got ऑस्कर अवार्ड बेस्ट एनिमेशन. देखे हो तुम लोग? क्या बर्ड का था? हाँ, बर्ड का था. कौन सा बर्ड? पता नहीं, वो ज्यादा नहीं है, ओनली 6 मिनट का है. दैट इट इज, एंड वो 6 मिनट का एनिमेशन बनाने में उसको 3 years लगा. लेकिन उसमें मैंने यही देखा, इन दैट मूवी आई हैव सीन लाइक day before yesterday in the night I have seen that mother is what is giving their child enough food that you just grow thereafter, and they used to live near to the sea. As I said that spoon build sandpaper, they give the chance to grow their kids, and then kids are growing. और जब भी वो जाते थे near to the sea, तो वहाँ पे सी के अंदर में जैसे ही पानी आता है तो some of the animals are coming up. Then when this is in a sand and then water is coming over there, then the animals comes up, then it started eating what I said that some nutrients, and then as the water goes away they go away. Then suddenly the birds comes. Have you seen that? And it is coming over there, and then they started eating. तो उसकी mother, they tried to say that go and go. वो हमेशा mother says come, then he used to be there over there. No, I'm not coming. I'm opening my mouth. You put me inside that food. So again that he tried to come. Then somehow that kid, a small bird, came to the near to the coast and tried to be there eating something inside the sand, but he's not able to get. And then suddenly he said he saw that there is sea waves are coming, and then उसमें वो डूब गया. फिर वो गुस्सा होके जाके along the coast, I'm not going. Mother is saying no, again you come, and then mother is eating something, and then he said again opening my mouth, and no, I'm not giving. Give me the food in my mouth. Again the mother is not giving food to that kid. Then what happened? मुझे sand beach से याद आ गया कि that it is. And thereafter when he went again, then he saw some of the snail type of what is crab type of what is जिसको आप कह सकते हो outer skull is very hard. They are also what is eating their food. So as the sea waves comes, they used to hide within the sand. Sea waves goes away, then it comes up. Then he also at that time mother is not allowing to give any food. Then marta kya nahi karta. Then when the sea waves are coming, then he started imitating like the same. Then he started bowing the sand and started hiding. When he started hiding in between, then he saw that all are coming up. जैसे ही वाटर जो आ रहे थे जिसको खाते हैं, वाटर आता था तो फॉर ईटिंग दिस मिनरल्स दैट दे स्टार्टेड कमिंग अप, वो सबको देख लिया. अच्छा, एज इट गोज अवे, उसकी मदर नहीं खोज पा रही है, बट ही स्टार्टेड फाइंडिंग हियर हियर हियर, सभी को दे रहे खाओ. सो इफ विल फेस द डिफिकल्टीज, you'll find the new way to live the life and you can do something. So I said that जब difficulties आती हैं लाइफ में, हाँ, ध्यान नहीं है मुझे. My wife has shown me, so I'm not remembering the name of that animation. तो हाँ अब वो अपने मोबाइल से देख रही थी, किसी फेसबुक पे आया था कि क्या है दैट, हाँ क्या है, यूट्यूब पे है, लेकिन वो ओरिजिनल लग रहा है. इट्स नॉट एन एनिमेशन, इट्स लुक कंप्लीटली ओरिजिनल. हाँ हाँ, पता चलता है, थोड़ा सा एक आइडिया लगता है कि एनिमेटेड है वो, कि एक्चुअल में वैसा नहीं होता है जैसा, लेकिन ही कंप्लीटली सोन लाइक व्हाट इज एन ओरिजिनल इट इज. तो यहाँ पर भी हम लोग क्या देखे दैट अलोंग द कोस्ट, वेस्ट बंगाल, उड़ीसा, केरला एंड तमिलनाडु, देयर इज एन स्पून बुल्ड एंड दे हाइड, they will live up to what is it 7 kilometer interior from the seashore, understood, and another Siberian crane that is in the Rajasthan, and both are coming during winter. एंड देन उससे पहले हम लोगों ने कौन सा देखा, बेयर पोचार्ड, बेयर पोचार्ड. नेक्स्ट वन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट व्हाइट बेलीड हेरॉन, बिल्ड नहीं है, बेलीड, व्हाइट बेलीड, ये पोर्शन जो है थ्रोट के नीचे का ये पोर्शन क्या कहलाता है, बेलीड. सो व्हाइट बेलीड हेरॉन एंड फॉरेस्ट वेलेट, व्हाइट बेलीड हेरॉन. तो व्हाइट कहाँ पे मिल रहा है, व्हाइट बेलीड हेरॉन? वी आर एबल टू गेट इन द असम, वी आर एबल टू गेट इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, वी आर एबल टू गेट इन द म्यांमार एंड देन इन भूटान. वेयर दे आर वी आर एबल टू गेट? असम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश and Bhutan and Myanmar, able to locate which one I said that white bellied heron. Okay, I said that this white bellied heron and then forest outlet. And ये कौन सा bird है? Non migratory bird. I said that these are what? White bellied heron is what? Non migratory bird. And this one forest outlet is in a forest bird, that is in a forest man. I said that it is found in the southern part of MP. Forest outlet has been found in the what? And there is a northwestern Maharashtra and north central Maharashtra. So where it has been found? Southern MP, northwestern Maharashtra and north central Maharashtra. Which one I said that? Forest outlet. One of the portion, you can say that portion, a geologist, better to say that he was especially working for the what is in a birds, a geologist who working for the birds, it is known as ornithologist. I said that ornithologist, he is able to find this forest outlet. Salim Ali. Forest outlet had been lost for more than a century. It has an interesting history. When not cited for decades, posters were printed by the Salim Ali, and the Salim Ali did several work, and he was the premier ornithologist, means a geologist who works on birds of India, and made a public appeal to look for the bird after 113 long years, and this forest outlet was rediscovered in 1997 and reappeared on the list of Indian birds. Clear? And where it is available, I said that. तो ड्राई डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट, ये रीजन ही एमपी और ये पूरा महाराष्ट्र रीजन कैसा है, ये ड्राई डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट है. एंड इन दैट रीजन वी कैन बी अ ड्राई और थॉर्नी काइंड ऑफ इट. इन दैट वन southern part of Madhya Pradesh, northwest Maharashtra and north central. And the logging operation, burning, cutting of trees and all, trees को काटना, major factor of loss of this, what is a human exploitation of the forest. Understood? Therefore, forest outlet is what? Reducing. Understood? एंड देयर आफ्टर व्हाइट बेलियड हेरॉन, ये हमेशा लेक्स रिवर के आसपास ही रहेंगे, लेक्स रिवर्स पॉन्ड्स एंड ऑल. And these are found, I said that, where they have been found in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Myanmar, and especially in Bhutan. I said that there are 6 sites in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and 1 or 2 sites in Bhutan, and few in Myanmar. It is inherently rare, and population have been never been known to be very high, and they live near river with sand or gravel bars or inland lakes nearby such regions they used to live. देखने से लग रहा है ना कि रिवर नदी कहीं होना चाहिए, और इसकी जो दिस पोर्शन है, ये थ्रोट यहाँ तक है, दैट बिलो दैट देयर इज एन दिस पोर्शन इज व्हाट white bellied heron. And then I said that Bhutan and northeast India to the hills of Bangladesh and North Myanmar there is a loss and degradation of lowland forest, wetlands. ये सारी चीजें जहाँ पे वो पानी में रहेंगे, जिसका मतलब wetlands is losing. Why am I talking about wetlands? You know that in Assam there is a Diporbil here and there is some wetland kind. If it is not wetland, it is near to the wetland. Yes or not? They are having so many foods, organisms, then they can sustain on those foods. खाने को अच्छा मिलेगा जिस पानी में, वहीं पर there will be birds will migrate. Yes or not? So I said that the wetland exploitation and then degradation of the forest and land, it is considered as the habitat loss of what? Mr. Vishwan. I said white bellied heron. So which are we have seen till now? Migratory bird, non-migratory bird, and forest killer. And migratory bird में there is a bear's pochard, and thereafter 2 I said that Siberian, S for Siberian crane, and S for I said that spoon-billed, I said that sandpiper, spoon-billed killer. And thereafter I talked about 1 it is in a forest and 1 it is, I said that कहाँ पर? Non-migratory. Forest and non-migratory. Forest one is forest owlet, and then the non-migratory bird is what I said that white-bellied heron. Killer. Here it is. Now we are going to see the 4, those who are in the what? Grasses or shrubs, grassland. Understood? The 4. I said that, have you heard about jarda? जर्दा सुने हो? जर्दा पान में डालते हैं. टोबैको सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ होता है? आंध्र, तेलंगाना, नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ आंध्रा. तो जर्दा भी वहीं पे समझ लेना. जॉर्डन, जडॉन. Which one I said that? Jadon kosher. What I said that? Jadon kosher. And then Bengal florican. I said that. And flower. I said that flower type ऐसा ही बनेगा. So I said that UP, थोड़ा सा बिहार भी कह सकते हो. I said that Himalayan foothills of UP, then Bihar, that you can say that, and then Assam, and then Arunachal Pradesh. These regions have Bengal florican. Understood? दिमाग में दिख गया आपको? Which one I said that? First I said that Jadon kosher. कहाँ पे दिख रहा है? Northern Andhra. Right now Telangana. Northern Andhra. And then Bengal florican. Flower shape में है. UP, little bit Bihar, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. So we can be able to see that Jadon kosher, it is a nocturnal bird. दिख रहा है? नाइट में निकल रहा है. ये फोटो भी आपको देखने से लगेगा कि ये नाइट में लिया गया. यस, क्लियर. और यदि जर्दा उर्दा खाना भी हो तो छुप कर ही नाइट में लोग खा सकते हैं. जर्दान. And it is in a northern part of the state of Andhra Pradesh or Telangana in peninsular India. It is in a flagship species for the extremely threatened scrub jungle. स्क्रब जंगल का ये क्या है? एम्बेसडर स्पेसीज है. ये कौन सा है? फ्लैगशिप स्पेसीज. स्क्रब जंगल का जहाँ पे स्क्रब्स झाड़ियाँ वगैरह है, वहाँ का ये कौन सा है? फ्लैगशिप स्पेसीज. यस. और जर्दा खाने के बाद अपने आप ही लाल रंग आ जाता है पान में डालकर, तो आपका क्या हो जाता है? flagships बन जाता है, yes or not? So I said that it is a flagship species. This species was considered to be extinct until it was rediscovered in 1986. Clear? और कोई and I said that and the area rediscovered was subsequently declared as an Sri Lanka Malleshwara wildlife. जहाँ पे खोजा गया उसको कौन सा सेंचुरी बोला गया? क्लियर? फिर उसके बाद जब जर्दा खाते हैं तो लंका में जाके लोग कई लोगों का प्रेशर तभी डेवलप होता है. So I said that which one I said that Jadon Korsar it is an Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. It is one of the nocturnal bird living in the scrubs and shrubs, grasslands, and it is the flagships of the scrub jungle. It is the flagships of the scrub jungle. And when it has been found in the northern part of Andhra and or Telangana, thereafter that land, that region has been, that forest has been converted into what? Sri Lanka Malleshwara Sanctuary. Wildlife? Clear? समझ में आ गया? Undisturbed scrub jungle or with open areas, and it is also somewhere it is in Andhra and little bit Maharashtra here, and it is also there. Understood? Jadon Korsar is endemic to Andhra Pradesh. However, 19th century record do not attribute to presence in the neighboring areas of the state of Maharashtra. थोड़ा बहुत महाराष्ट्र में भी chances हो सकता है, लेकिन you know that because of what British interference is too much, this has been what slowly and slowly which has been lost. And this is ये कैसा दिख रहा है? घास से बड़ा दिख रहा है या घास से छोटा दिख रहा है? दिख नहीं रहा है, बड़ा है. और जब बड़ा होगा तो उसको क्या बोलूंगा ना? If the bird is large, bustard. So that I said that this Bengal florican is in a kind of what? Bustard. So it is in a rare bustard species that is very well known for its mating dance. Mating करते समय ये dance करते हैं. And that is in a grassland occasionally interposed with the scrubland. और ये कहाँ पर है? उत्तर प्रदेश. And then little bit Bihar, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. These are the reason. An ongoing conversion of the birds' grassland habitat for various purposes. And you know that UP और बिहार, Assam में तो सब लोग land को other purposes को लिए क्या करते जा रहे हैं? Encroach करते जा रहे हैं. So therefore that purpose that is in a loss. लेकिन ये कहाँ available हो सकता है? Yes, just attached Nepal and also Cambodia. Understood? So Bengal florican. So which are the two grassland we have seen? The first one I said Jadon Korsar, and then another I said that Bengal florican. Can you remember? And यदि आप इसको देखेंगे, it is an I said that Great Indian Bustard. इंडिया में बहुत जगह अवेलेबल है. This Great Indian Bustard and then social lapwing. Sociable lapwing. Social नहीं, sociable lapwing. So sociable lapwing, if you see that it is available in northwest of India, but it is largely available in the Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Middle East. कहाँ available है? Central Asia, Middle East, as well as northwest India. So which one it is? तो पूरा अच्छे से social network फैलाया हुआ है ना? Sociable पूरा लैप में बैठा हुआ है. Social lap wing. Which bird I am talking about? Sociable lap wing. Can you remember? Thereafter I am talking about the Great Indian Bustard